Settle in, it's time for me to fall asleep. Finally, I'm in my bed, adventures waiting straight ahead. I can hear the summer song tonight. Are the stars dreamers like me? Are they shining in their sleep? Do they see their own reflected light as they're sparkling in the summer night?
Good night, Rosebush. Good night, Rosa.